upbeat music plays as the Buy Smart logo animates onto the screen. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for all things product comparisons. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of steam mops. On one side, we have the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner, and on the other, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop. Now, before you start sweating over which one to pick, let's break it down like a dance floor at a wedding. Let's see who has the power to wipe away your dirt and make your floor shine brighter than your future. First up, let's talk about the price. The Schenley comes in at a whopping $119. Ouch, that's like buying a fancy dinner for two. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil is a steal at just $74. Reviewers are raving about the Dirt Devil's affordability, saying it's great value for money, while some feel the Schenley is a bit pricey, but worth the investment for its performance. If you're budget conscious, the Dirt Devil is definitely a winner. Now, let's talk cleaning power. The Schenley boasts strong cleaning power and can tackle everything from dirt to grease and mold. It's like the superhero of steam mops. Reviewers have praised the Schenley for its ability to clean effectively without chemicals, making it ideal for various surfaces. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil claims to deep clean with just heat and water. Users love how it quickly cleans sealed hard floors. Both sound great, but can they handle the aftermath of a spaghetti dinner? Next up is heating time. The Schenley is ready to roll in just 15 seconds. That's faster than my coffee in the morning. Users appreciate this quick heating feature, as it allows for immediate use. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil takes around 30 seconds. Reviewers find this acceptable, but note that if you're in a rush, the Schenley might be your best bet. Let's talk versatility. The Schenley comes with 7-in-1 accessories. It's like having a Swiss Army knife, but for cleaning. Users rave about its versatility, particularly the window attachment. The Dirt Devil, while simpler, has 3 mode settings for steam. Reviewers say it's effective, but wish it had more attachments for varied cleaning tasks. So it's versatile too, just in a less is more kind of way. Finally, let's talk about weight and maneuverability. The Schenley is lightweight and has a 180-degree swivel head. It's like a ballerina pirouetting around your furniture. Reviewers enjoy its lightweight design, making it easy to handle. Meanwhile, the Dirt Devil also has a 180-degree swivel head, so it's equally talented on the dance floor. Users find it easy to maneuver, but some mention it could be uncomfortable due to its height. Both are ready to tango with your dirt. In summary, the Schenley Steam Mop Cleaner stands out for its powerful cleaning capabilities and quick heating, making it a favorite among users who value efficiency and versatility. However, its higher price point might deter budget-conscious shoppers. On the other hand, the Dirt Devil Steam Mop is praised for its affordability and effectiveness on sealed hard floors, making it a great choice for those looking for a budget-friendly option. Each has its strengths based on user need. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for a versatile, high-powered steam mop and don't mind spending a bit more, the Schenley might be your best friend. But if you're on a budget and just need something to keep your floors clean without breaking the bank, the Dirt Devil could be your new cleaning buddy. Remember, whether you're Team Schenley or Team Dirt Devil, the most important thing is to clean up after yourself. If you enjoyed this comparison, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more smart shopping tips, and let us know in the comments which steam mop you'd choose. Until next time, keep buying smart and stay steamy. Bye!